Little Krishna's Garden of Love. In the heart of Vrindavan, where the grass is always a soft, mossy green and the air smells like blooming jasmine, lived little Krishna. He had skin as blue as a summer sky and eyes that sparkled with kindness. Every morning, he played his golden flute, waking up the sleepy forest with a happy tune. Krishna loved every leaf, every bug, and every drop of water in the Yamuna River. Krishna's friend Subala came running through the trees. "Krishna, Krishna, look at the golden morning," he cried. Krishna smiled and put his flute away. "Today, Subala, let us show the forest how much we love it," Krishna said. "The earth gives us so much. It is our turn to be its helpers." Soon, they met Vishaka near the riverbank. Krishna pointed to a patch of bluebells that were drooping toward the dry ground. "Look, Vishaka," Krishna whispered. "These flowers are very thirsty. When the sun is hot, we must remember the ones who cannot ask for a drink." Vishaka ran to the river and filled her small clay pot with cool, clear water. She walked back carefully, making sure not to spill a drop. She poured the water slowly around the roots of the thirsty flowers. As the soil drank the water, the flowers seemed to lift their heads and smile back at her. Further down the path, Krishna and Subala found a tiny green sapling. It was very small and grew right in the middle of the walking trail. "Wait, Subala," Krishna said softly. "This little tree is just a baby. If people walk here, they might step on it before it can grow tall and strong." Subala knew exactly what to do. He gathered smooth, round pebbles from the riverbank and placed them in a circle around the little tree. Then, he found some fallen branches to make a tiny fence. "Now everyone will see it," Subala said proudly. Krishna nodded. "You have given this tree a safe home to grow." High above, the birds began to chirp loudly. Krishna and Vishaka looked up into the branches of a mango tree. "The birds are hungry today," Krishna said. He reached into a small pouch and shared some golden grain with Vishaka. "Every living thing is part of our big family," he explained. Vishaka scattered the grain across a flat, mossy stone. Within moments, a flutter of wings filled the air. Bright red, blue, and yellow birds landed on the stone, pecking happily at the treats. Vishaka stayed very still, watching their tiny feathers shimmer in the sunlight. She felt a warm glow in her heart. Finally, they reached the clearing where the cows were resting. Krishna walked up to a snowy white calf and began to brush its soft fur with his hand. "The cows give us milk and love," Krishna said. "We must always treat them with gentleness and make sure they have the sweetest grass to eat." As the sun began to set, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, the children sat by the river with Krishna. "The trees, the flowers, the animals, and the water are all precious," Krishna told them. Subala and Vishaka realized that when they cared for nature, they were really caring for the whole world.